You can't tell, but I got a new emblem for the 65. Pretty excited. Let's unwrap and see what it looks like. So got it unwrapped, or at least out of that mess. Take us and see if it'll match the holes. The last one I got was a similar problem of, it's kind of hard to see there, but where they welded it, it kind of got destroyed. Oh, it's not too bad. Kind of figured there'll be a dim hole, but bummer, that's where it's going to start to rust. But at least they'll have a nose again, a logo. I'm excited. This is pretty much the cheapest repop you can get, I think. Still really expensive, in my opinion. But they have these wing nuts to mount, which is weird because I bought a kit that has these little press fittings, so I'm not sure. I actually haven't found that in the box, so maybe they forgot. I'm gonna take off that tape and finish taking the wing nuts off and see what it looks like. It looks so bare. Let's try to fix that. Looks like I'll need a little work on that, but it's the first time that she's had Emblem in quite some time. Pretty exciting. Well, it's December 1st and about, I think it was 15 degrees out. I'm freezing, but I only have about 30 days to get this bus going. And I've never even driven her, so I need to get going. Today I'm going to try to finish off that logo there and try to get a couple things prepped for the rest of the week. A little hard to see, but that's one of the logos. Mounts. Next one's up there. Next one's behind that panel. Third one, right there. That's my last one I need to get in there. I did take out this, I guess you'd say tray, parcel tray, I'm not sure what you call it. And it's all rusty, so that's tomorrow's project, is to try to sand and paint it. I'm not sure you can paint when it's 15 degrees, but we're gonna try. So I'm gonna try to crawl up there and get to that way. So I added this bubble wrap, so when I drop the wing nut, it doesn't disappear, and I don't have to spend time fishing it out with the magnet. It's really tough to get back there. I'm thinking maybe I've taken out the wiper assembly. But unfortunately out here, it's pretty dang frozen. Maybe I'll get my heat gun. Maybe that's what I'll do. Well, a little heat, got the ice off using a 14 deep socket. Gonna get that and this one off and go from there. Gave a few taps. Pop through. My hands are freezing. That was a 10mm bolt. Got that out. Now let's see if I can fish that whole big piece out. Well, got it down. What's that? Black, tan, and black with a white wire. Something like that. I'm going to pull that out. Taking out that wiper motor made it a lot easier to get to that last top post to put the wing nut on. Added that, help it so I didn't drop it all the way down into the body. Super cold out today, but I guess I got a little bit done. Well, the snow wasn't supposed to come till tonight, but I'm getting too cold, so I'm gonna stop tonight. It's gonna get dark here in about half hour. More snow. That's Montana for you.